Welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you here again. In this series, we explore common English idioms used in daily conversations. Today, we're going to learn two very useful ones, cut it out and beats me. Let's dive in. First up, we have cut it out. This idiom is a command that means stop doing that or stop bothering me. It's often used when someone is doing something annoying. For example, you might say, the children were making too much noise, so I told them to cut it out. Now, let's listen to a short dialogue between Clara and Daniel to see how cut it out is used in a natural setting.
Hey, Clara, guess what? Guess what?
Daniel, I'm trying to read.
But it's really important. Just one more second.
Okay, Daniel, that's enough. Cut it out, please.
Oh, sorry, Clara. I'll stop.
Next, let's look at the idiom beats me. Beats me is an informal way of saying, I don't know, or I have no idea. You use it when you genuinely don't know the answer to something. For example, if someone asks, what time does the movie start? And you don't know, you could reply, beats me. Let's hear how Clara and Daniel use this idiom.
I don't get it. It was working perfectly fine yesterday. Did you change any settings, Daniel?
Me? No, I haven't touched it since my morning cup. I've checked the plug, the water tank. Why has decided to give up on us today? Beats me.
Yeah, beats me too. Guess it's no coffee for us until we figure this out or call someone.
So there you have it. Two more everyday idioms, cut it out, meaning stop doing something, and beats me, meaning I don't know. We hope you found these explanations helpful. Try using them in your own conversations. We'd love to hear your own examples. Please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Tidbits for more lessons on common English idioms. Thanks for watching and see you next time.